Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Keith with the Tulsa Moto Club, and today it's time for an update. Roll the intro. You guys like that intro? I like it quite a bit, although I'm not sure if it's the final product yet or not. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Okay, on with the update. First of all, the channel just broke 1,000 subscribers. I just want to give all of you a big, huge thank you. Your continued support means so much, and it's the biggest encouragement to keep all this going, this YouTube channel and everything, just keeping it growing and moving forward. Really, thank you so much for all your support. And another even bigger thank you to those of you who have helped spread the word of this channel. It really does mean a lot. Whether you're sharing my videos on YouTube or on Facebook or wherever, keep it up. I really appreciate it. It really helps me move the channel forward. And yeah, the next milestone's 10,000, so keep sharing that stuff. Real quick, if it's your first time here on my channel, know that this isn't a normal video. At the end of this video, I'll post a couple others that you can watch that are a lot more like what I normally post, but make sure you subscribe to this channel, that way you don't miss out on any future videos that I do put out, because I'm working on a lot right now and I don't want you to miss any of it. Now, I didn't really expect to have such a large gap between video uploads. I know in my last video I left you guys hanging in the middle of the gas tank restoration process on both the SR and the KZ tanks. The SR tank's getting pretty close. There'll be another video coming out soon about those that's in the editing process right now. But as it stands, the SR tank has no rust on the inside of the tank, it's all cleaned up on the outside with the paint removed and everything, and I installed the tank liner. Now there are a couple of dents I do have to fill with some body filler, but once that's done, it's ready for paint. The reason it's just taking me so long is just because I kept hitting a bunch of different bumps in the road. For example, in the KZ tank, there's actually a hole in the tank that I need to fill. It's a little too big for a tank sealer, but I think I can use the soldering method to fill that hole, but I've never done that. So if any of you have any experience with that or have any advice, make sure to let me know down in the comments. Or if you know of a different technique, I'm open to that as well. I also started restoring the forks on the SR. They're all taken apart, cleaned up, and I got a coat of paint on them. Once the paint's dry, I can get them all put back together. I also picked up a few different components to make an electrical setup similar to an M unit. My buddy Aaron and I are working on that. And we're making a few different videos based around the electrical side of motorcycle building. So if you have any questions about the electrical stuff, or any suggestions, or ideas of things that we should cover, or anything like that, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you again so much for all of your support, and a big shout out to my first 1,000 subscribers. Remember, if you're not subscribed already, to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. That way you don't miss out on any videos I put out in the future. Because I've got a lot of things going at once right now, and when the videos start rolling out, I don't want you to miss any of them. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And here are those videos I promised earlier. Check them out after this one. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, or just want to say what's up, we can do that down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. Later.